Hello students, welcome once again. As you have already understood this poem, Malu Bhalu. Today we are going to do the question answers and the activities given in the textbook. Now before we proceed, we should know that the relationship between a child and a parent is unique. And they always look out for each other, especially parents. They love their kids very much and they would prefer not to hurt their kids or not let anyone or anything hurt them. So, this story is also the same about a mother and a daughter. Now, let's start with the question answers. Where did the polar bear live with her family? Polar bear lived in an icy lair with her family. So it is in a polar region. It's where there is a lot of ice. It could be the North Pole or the South Pole, right? Next. What did Malu learn to do from her parents? So what did this child, that is Malu, learn from her mother or her father? She learned how to fish and swim. So this is something that the animals teach their child to do. If it's a land animal, they will teach their child to walk. If they are both land and water animals, they would teach them how to walk and swim. And what they eat, according to what they eat, they will learn how to catch that is food. If they eat fruits, then the parents will teach the child which fruit they should eat and which one they should not eat. Where did Malu want to travel? So what was her dream, that where would she like to go? So she wanted to travel beyond the vast blue sky. As we say, sky is the limit. Here Malu wanted to travel far away in the sky. Fourth question is, what was it that Malu's parents wanted her to learn? As a parent, they have a lot of expectations from their child, especially the basic things like what do you say, walking, and in Malu's case, swimming. Swimming is an art that a polar bear should know about because they can fall into freezing waters and they have to survive in that. Next question was Malu scared to swim? Did she learn it easily? Most of the kids are scared in the beginning of water because they are not sure that they can swim or not. So in Malu's case also, she was scared to learn how to swim. But later she came to learn it very easily. Unlike other kids who have difficult time learning it, she learned it pretty fast. Read the last two stanzas of the poem. Whom does she stand for in both? Now the last two stanzas are, brave mother's brave young daughter. Doubt and fear she left behind her. That's on page number 171. Stanzas are like paragraphs. Stanzas are in poem and paragraphs are in stories or prose. Malu swam with all her might. It didn't matter wrong or right. But swimming came so naturally, her mother knew this and all could see. Fearless was Malu. This she knew, not just brave but special too. So, from the last two stanzas of the poem, she stands for Malu, and in the second stanza, she stands for her mother. On page number 173, we are given a chart, Malu and Bhalu, true, false, and character sketch. So in the true false, we have to write what is right and wrong. And the next one, we have to give their characters, how that child or the person is brave, strong, hardworking, eager to learn more, smart. I hope you know the meaning of these words. Eager to learn more means you are excited to learn something new. Impatient, you cannot wait. Female, affectionate means to be emotionally attached to something. Bold, playful, white, adventurous, clever, young and fearless. Fearless means to be not scared of anything. Now what was the character sketch of Malu and Bhalu? Malu's hair was white. Was it? Of course, because she's a polar bear. Malu knew how to swim. Not in the beginning. So in this way, you have to write the true and false of the characters of it. And you also have to give what are the words that we can use for Malu and Bhalu. So you have to do this yourself in the textbook itself. We are going to now write a detailed character sketch of Malu and Bhalu. Malu Bhalu. So when we are writing a character sketch of someone, what do? We take their special qualities. Malu Balu was a female bear. So, in the character sketch, the first word would be female. She was young and playful. So, here we are going to use the word young and also playful. She was covered with white hair. So, white hair is also there. So, the truth will be Malu's hair was white. She was very clever and soon learnt how to fish. So, we are going to use the word clever also in the character sketch. She was eager to learn the art of swimming. So that means eager to learn, she was excited to learn new things. She was so smart that she learnt this art too quickly. So here we are going to use the word smart in the character sketch. So she was someone that did not have any difficulty while learning something new. She was bold and fearless. So bold and fearless words are also used. In true false, there is nothing given regarding Malu used to play with penguins or penguins. So that's a false one. Malu was good at catching fish. That was also true. Malu was brave. Balu, true. Malu did not love her mother. That's false. Malu's mother was firm. She was kind of, but she loved her child. So it's false. She was adventurous too. So now in the character sketch, we are also going to use the word adventurous. So here, what is it? The first one is true. Second one is, we can say true because she learned how to swim in the end. Regarding the penguins, it was false. She could catch fish, that is true. She was brave, that is also true. She did not love her mother, that was false. And her mother was firm, that is also kind of false. Now when we talk about the character sketch, here we are going to write a few words like brave, eager to learn more, smart, female, bold, playful, white, adventurous, clever, young and fearless. And we have already written the character sketch. Now reading the passage we are going to do in the next video. For the time being, we are going to summarize what we understood today. First, we tried to solve the question answers. Actually, we did the question answers, right? So we did the question answers of the poem Malu Bhalu. Then in a chart we came to know what is true and false and the character sketch. We had used the words first, then we gave a detailed character sketch of Malu Bhalu. If you have any doubts, you can see the video again or you could ask me. I hope you complete this work by tomorrow, before tomorrow 10 a.m. That's all for today. Bye-bye.